Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Volvo truck. This is from Majorette 1:64 scale, and you can see the packaging is good. This is the back side. I have got it from a Hamlet store for 749 rupees. That is on an MRP. Let's uncard this. Okay, let's open this. Okay, this is so big. This is how it looks. This is amazing. Quite heavy too. This is metal part completely. Front portion is fully metal. This all is metal. Base is a plastic, I think, but side portion and the full body, upper body is metal. This is also metal. This is plastic. Body is also metal. No, sorry. Body is of plastic. Container is of plastic. You can see it has got some movement. I don't know, 260 degree or 270 degree it moves. It is quite good. It has this function. Yes, this is quite smooth and functional. Tire also looks good, although it's plastic tire, but looks like a realistic tire. Back is openable. Backlight is of they have just painted it in gray color. Mudguard is there. Okay, let's open the container as well. Okay, this is a Volvo container. Wish they had made it in metal. It would have felt much better then. Okay, this is openable. This is a good feature. Wish they had made it in metal, because metal feels very solid. Okay, and plastic is plastic, although it is good, but metal feels like another thing. Okay, let's open the front container. Okay, this is, it has also a opening. Okay, fine. See the depth. It's quite a big. Now let's see the base of the truck. Guys, this is fully metal. From this part to the end, it is fully metal. That's why it's heavy. And these are just plastic. can see. Let's zoom it. Okay, Volvo is written. This is a nice logo. Front light are painted. You can see the interior as well. There is a driver seat and a co-passenger seat. Okay, the steering is also good, well detailed. You can see. Nice. Okay. From this side, the dashboard is visible. It is good. Those who love Volvo and want a truck, then they should go for it. Made in Thailand, Volvo. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and share. I will come with more cars in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.